Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, it's hard.
What to do, YouTube? Yeah, y'all, shoot. I'm gonna go ahead and make some kind of video for y'all, man. Yeah, I know it's been quite some time. I've been hella busy doing nothing but work, y'all. And then, you know what I'm saying, what, say about a week or so ago, came down with the cocoa. You know what I'm saying? So, came down with the cocoa. So, I just hopefully y'all don't mind me eating my sandwich. But yeah, I feel like, well, hell, I do owe y'all a video of some sort. Yeah, just been down, man. Shoot, been down and out for the count for quite some time. Now I am better though, you know, I feel way better. Shoot, y'all, I mean, it's been pretty fucking bad. It's been pretty bad. I mean, shoot, man, if y'all see my yard, I didn't cut this yard in quite some time. So, hey, hold on, one sec. Huh? I'm making a video real quick, Turd. You wanna be in it?
No.
Well, too late, you gonna be in this one. Cause I ain't editing it out. Yeah, y'all.
Dad?
Can
I call Mama real quick?
I don't care, call your mama.
And you made my fingers reach.
That's part of washing dishes, Turd.
Make them reach.
It's part of washing dishes. Okay, I mean, but at least you know how to wash dishes, though. Alright, y'all. My bad about that. But yeah, y'all, shit. Been down with the COVID. Shit wasn't cool. It wasn't cool at all. Yeah. Say the only good thing that really came out of just me getting the COVID shit, I ain't been smoking no cigarettes. No cigarettes. I mean, even though I'm feeling better now, I don't even want one no more, shit, to be honest. But I will get back to mess with this car, though. Actually, I need to. I need to, change the ball joints. Ball joints and the rest, you know, and the bushes on the A-arms, lower A-arms at least. And, yeah. This ain't gonna be no long video or nothing, y'all, by any means. Oh yeah, I'll tell you something else I do got going on. My wife she messed my truck up, she messed the fender up. She hit a damn mailbox. How? I don't know. But I do have another fender though. It's Why this other car? I do got another fender. It's on the passenger side. I mean, she did not did it in she creased it and broke the antenna off of it. So yeah, I'll be doing that. I'll be putting that thing on my truck whenever we get back. And I gotta do the same suspension stuff to the truck too that I gotta do to the car. I gotta do ball joints. Man, and it ain't the upper ball joints, it's the lower ones. The car, I've done one side already. That was kind of before I went down. Still got this other side I gotta do. I gotta do the passenger side now. I did the driver's side. Excuse me. And as far as this fender I got, it's gotta be painted because it's black. You know, it's not dented or nothing. It came from an older model truck, of course, like I think 94, 95 or something like that. Still the same though. Only thing that's different, it has that has this. Hold on, let me get to it. Let me see. Yeah, this is the damn fender right here though, y'all. You see, it got this little light thing right there. That air box, that's coming out though. Yeah, that's coming out. That's the reason why y'all ain't clipped. And that lawnmower went out. Lawnmower done fucked up. So, then I don't want to try to cut no grass, being sick and shit, no way. But, yeah, I do got that fender over there. It's for the truck, for the OBS. Like I said, this is going to be a scuff and shoot, really. Matter of fact, that fender's gonna be my practice before I get ready to paint this car. You know, at least I do got a test dummy. I guess so. Got a test dummy. So yeah, y'all shit. Other than that, man, I just been working. You know. Really been working so much that really honestly haven't had time to do anything else. Then what? Next week I gotta go out of town. No, not next. We're on the 11th, I think. Yeah, 11th. I'll be in Oregon working. I'll be out there for 2 weeks. Then once I get back, it'll be cool enough to where I can at least start spraying on this car. I mean, it's been cool. It's been raining. You know, it's been raining out here in Houston, you know what I'm saying, every day for about the past couple of weeks now, when I think about it. So I wouldn't have had a chance to spray this car even if I wanted to. But yeah, I know everybody been waiting on me to drop something. You know. So I'm making y'all something, you know what I'm saying? I'm making y'all some kind of video. But yeah, man, shoot. I appreciate everybody, you know what I'm saying, still supporting your boy, man. I mean, you know, I know I ain't got many subscribers or nothing like that. I mean, I'm not in this shit for no subscribers or nothing. I'm just doing this shit just to do it, to be honest. You know, I mean, I'm always gonna work on my stuff. It's a passion, you know what I'm saying? You know, then just recording for y'all, you know, people give me insight on things, and you know, y'all give me suggestions, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and start, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna start dropping videos again. I really am, y'all. So just like I said, y'all just gonna have to bear with me for a little bit. Because my job now, they got me doing a lot of out of town work, you know, which don't hurt my feelings at all. I'm gonna get that bread, y'all. I'm gonna chase that money no matter what. know, I know there's gonna be some people that say money ain't everything. True enough. But shit sure helps. It sure helps when you have it. You know what I'm saying? Versus when you don't have it and you got shit you gotta do. Shit you gotta take care of. You know? And yeah, man, things, you know what I'm saying? Things ain't gonna stop. Things don't stop. Just because I'm sick or whatever, these bills still rolling in. So, and I do a lot of shit by myself. So, I mean, it is what it is, y'all. But, I ain't complaining or nothing. I'm just glad to still be on this earth living, you know what I'm saying? I'm still breathing, still kicking, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna keep going. Ain't nobody gonna stop me from, you know what I'm saying, trying to achieve my ultimate goal, Yeah, this COVID shit just slowed me down. It knocked me back, I ain't gonna lie, shit. I probably needed this break, though. To be honest, I probably did. Saying, like, if y'all know how hard I go, you know what I'm saying? Especially, like, when I work, I'm not afraid of no work, y'all, shit. That's what y'all don't know. I'm a go-getter, man, and ain't nobody gonna take that from me. Ain't nobody gonna change that from me. That's me, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna do for me like me but me. You know what I mean? So, hell, that's why I used to always tell you, know what I'm saying, put some muscle on your hustle. You know what I'm saying? I still say that shit to this day. Even though I haven't been making nothing. You gotta put some muscle to your hustle. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all. But that's what it is, though, y'all. So, yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna start dropping videos again. This one I'll be dropping, though. It be working on my cutlass. You know what I'm saying? Doing these ball joints, these low A-arms, and the bushes on them as well. I gotta really do the whole thing. I gotta get a center link, another idle arm. Need to find a gearbox too. My gearbox leaking. It's just worn out. It's just worn out. Ooh, excuse me. So I'll be hitting the yard to go get that. And also, I plan on going to the yard to I wanna try to find me a rear gear. A posi gear or something. So I'll be doing that. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me doing that. But yeah, y'all, this is my fucking update video, man. So I know y'all been wondering where I've been at. I know Miss T been wondering. Everybody's been wondering. Everybody been asking me when am I gonna drop something, especially swaps. So I'm dropping something for y'all right now. I know this ain't the type of video y'all was looking for, but hey, everything ain't always glitter and gold, So but yeah, I will be, I'm gonna be dropping again. Like I said, unfortunately, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be going back out of town to work again. I'll probably bring y'all with me while I'm doing that. Yeah, that's just really been it. So, yeah, y'all, shit. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Hopefully it don't be too long. You know what I'm saying? It won't be too long, y'all. So, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go, man. And I'm finna get back in this house, man. Finish eating, whatever. Finish knocking out my little sandwich. You know what I'm saying? Knock out my little sandwich. And yeah, man, sure. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Yeah.